Hey friends, in this video I will show you a great Google Sheets template for studying. And after that I will also show you how you can build this one yourself. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Maxi and I help you being successful as a student. So let's get started. And so now you can see the Google Sheet, and this looks pretty similar to standard retrospective revision timetable, which I already talked about. If you do not know about that, check out the link in the description where I will talk about this in detail. So we have the topics in the first column, then repetition 1, repetition 2, and repetition 3 in the next columns, and of course you will go on with all your repetitions here. And then we of course do have the topics in the rows, and we'll of course also want to study the topic. We do not only want to see the topic right here. So we have some separate sheets for that, but it wouldn't be that nice if we always had to go down here and select the one. So I'll just inserted a link to it. You just click it, and so you're right there. And now we went from the retrospective revision timetable side to the active recall side of things. So here we have our questions, our active recall questions, and their solutions. And the great thing about Notion was that we had the toggle feature to hide the solutions. And sadly, we do not have the toggle feature in Google Sheets, but there's a great trick I learned from the greatest Ali Abdaal, by the way. And this trick is great in my opinion, because so we have, first of all, about the active recall side of things, we have our questions, of course, and we have the solutions, each in one column. And then you would type in your first question here and the solution right here. And you just use the color white, so the text color white, so you won't see it right here, and you'll only see it when you click the cell. So this is great, I think, because it like puts a different barrier onto it to not have a look at the solution before thinking about it, like exactly like the toggle feature in Notion. So I think this can be a great solution for replicating the toggle feature in Google Sheets. So just type in your answers or your solutions here and put the text color to white. And yeah, that's pretty much it. After that, you'll just go back to your retrospective revision timetable and insert the date. For example, which one's day? The 12th of June 2021. And then you'll just use anything you'd like to use for evaluating this repetition. And I like using stars, for example. So I go with Control Command Spacebar and take 1 star, and maybe it was a bit better at least. So I'll copy this one and say it was 3 stars, for example. And then that's just how you would work with this study environment in Google Sheets. So now we have had a look at it and I explained how you can use it. But now we will also go a bit deeper and I'll show you how you can build this one up from a completely blank spreadsheet. But if you do not want to go any deeper and just say, pass it on to me, just want to use it right now, you can check out the link in the video description to my website where you will find a resource section where this one will be linked as well. So you can just use it, make a copy, start studying with it. If you got any value out of this video so far, please smash the like button, and if not, continue watching as it will only get better. So now we will build this study environment Google Sheets template from scratch as well. It won't take really long, but yeah, I'll just show you. So we'll start by typing sheets.new. This will open up a new Google Sheet. if my connection would like to do so, and we will name this like, I just name it studying, and we will go on and type topic and rep 1, rep 2, rep 3, and we can of course also mark them and increase the size a bit, let's say 13, and we can also choose a different color, let's say. By the way, I really like these like Google colors right here, so I'll choose, let's choose green for example, and then we will of course rename this one to retrospective revision timetable, so RRTT. Then we will add the sheet, and we'll also rename this and call this topic 1. So you will of course write any subtopic you have in your subject, you would just name it like this. And then we will do another one called topic 2. So now we will insert our questions and our solutions, or our active recall questions. So I'd say question and solution. I'll also increase the size a bit to 13. We can also use one of the great new Google colors right here, let's say blue, and we type in our first question and our second question and solution 1 and solution 2. And those two need to have the text color white. This is very important because otherwise you will see them instantly. So we will have to choose text color white, and now you'll only see them when choosing this cell. Then, so you would of course do all this for topic 2 as well. Yeah, of course with different questions and different solutions, but yeah, I'll just do it like this to show you how it works in general. Then we'll just go back to our retrospective revision timetable, select the cell for the first topic, go to insert link, then sheets in this spreadsheet, and then topic 1, apply. You can also rename it if you like. Then the next one is topic 2, and now you can navigate right from the topics to your from your retrospective revision timetable to your topics. And that's something I just came up with. We could also insert a link right here to the retrospective revision timetable to go back again. So I think this is also not a bad idea. So you can use this one as well, to not having to go down here. And so we'll just use it. So we are back at the retrospective revision timetable, and then how I just showed you, you would just go on, choose a topic, go through the questions, evaluate yourself, evaluate your studying, type it in here with the date, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this Google Sheets template will help you with studying a lot better and using the great 3 methods of active recall, the retrospective revision timetable, and spaced repetition. So I think Google Sheets is a great alternative to Notion. So if you do not like Notion or you prefer Google Sheets, you can just use it like this, and I think it will be pretty great as well. So if you are uncertain about using Google Sheets or Notion for studying, I highly recommend you checking out my video about Notion for studying, so you saw both of them and then you can make a decision for yourself. And the video will be linked up here and also in the video description as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to not miss out on future videos. See you in the next one.